Before buying a countertop oven, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Many ovens are packed with features, but are they really solving your cooking nightmares? Let's explore the top options for every budget.
Product number 1. Black & Decker Crisp & Bake Air Fry Countertop Oven. The Black & Decker Crisp & Bake Air Fry Countertop Oven caught my eye with its 5-in-1 functionality and sleek stainless steel design. Priced for the budget conscious, it's a great choice if you're looking for versatility in your kitchen without breaking the bank. If you want to enjoy healthy meals and crispy snacks without the fuss, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This oven offers air frying, baking, broiling, toasting, and even a keep warm function. So whether you're craving crispy fries or a perfectly baked pizza, this oven does it all with little to no oil. Perfect for those of you trying to eat healthier. Plus, its compact size doesn't sacrifice capacity. It can fit a 9-inch pizza or up to 4 slices of bread. And with over 5,000 units sold in the past month, the popularity speaks volumes. Now, some people complained about its timer being limited to just 30 minutes, which might not suit everyone's cooking needs. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily using it for quick meals or snacks, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's incredibly user-friendly, making it perfect for quick dinners after a long day. This is perfect for you if you're a busy parent wanting to whip up quick meals. Skip this one if you plan on making larger meals that require longer cooking times. For the price, it's a solid investment into your kitchen setup. Now, if the limited timer on the black power bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. The Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is really impressive with its 8-in-1 functionality, allowing for air frying, baking, and toasting, among other things. I love the innovative flip-up design that saves counter space, making it easy to store when not in use. If you want a multifunctional kitchen appliance that doesn't take up much room, this one is definitely worth checking out. Here's why this matters for you. The 1800-watt power means it heats up quickly, cutting down your cooking time significantly. The air fry basket and removable crumb tray make it easy to clean, which is a big plus. And it's already gained traction with over 4,000 units sold recently. You can cook a variety of dishes, from crispy chicken wings to delicious desserts, with the ease of a single appliance. Now, one flaw that some users pointed out is that it can be a bit noisy during operation. But honestly, if you're used to kitchen appliances, it's not a major issue. The fantastic results you get make it worth a little extra sound. This is perfect for you if you need a compact solution that can handle various cooking tasks. Skip this if noise bothers you or if you're looking for something that's extremely quiet. It's a great value for its multifunctional capabilities. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger families.
Product number 3, Emeril Lagasse French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven. If you're looking for something with a bit more capacity, the Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a real standout. With 26 QT of space and 24 cooking functions, it's designed for serious home cooks. The price tag is higher, but trust me, if you want to impress at your next gathering, this could be the appliance you need. This one is great if you love hosting. It offers features like dual-speed fans for even cooking and automatic shutoff to prevent burnt meals. Plus, its stainless steel exterior not only looks sharp, but adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. With 3,000 units sold lately, it's clear people are loving it for its capacity and versatility. However, some users mentioned it takes up quite a bit of counter space. For those in smaller kitchens, this might feel like a squeeze. But if you're serious about cooking for a crowd or making more elaborate meals, this trade-off could be worth it. This is perfect for you if you often cook for family and friends and need that extra space. Skip this one if your kitchen is already cramped. With all those functions, it offers fantastic value for the price. Now, if the size of the Emeril Lagasse concerns you, the next one on our list is compact yet powerful.
Product number 4, Black & Decker Crisp & Bake Large Capacity. Another great option is the Black & Decker Crisp & Bake Large Capacity Oven. Similar to its smaller cousin, it boasts the same 5-in-1 functionality, but can fit a 12-inch pizza. It's a solid choice for those who want the same quality but need a bit more capacity. If you're looking for a reliable oven that can handle bigger meals without compromising on taste, this one is worth a look. Here's why this matters. It has a 60-minute timer, allowing you to cook larger meals without the need to babysit it. The removable crumb tray makes cleaning up a breeze, and it's perfect for everything from toast to roast chicken. With over 1,000 sold recently, it's gaining traction among families. Some users did mention that it can take a little longer to preheat compared to other models. That said, once it's ready, the cooking performance is excellent. For those who prioritize cooking quality over speed, this shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you have a family and need a bit more space to work with. Skip this if you're in a hurry and need something that heats up instantly. For the size and features, it offers great value. Finally, let's wrap up with a truly compact gem that fits in any kitchen.
Product number 5, Breville Mini Smart Oven. The Breville BOV 450 XL Mini Smart Oven is where compact design meets functionality. It's perfect for those of you with limited counter space but still want a quality machine. The brushed stainless steel finish is not only sleek, but durable. If you want a stylish yet functional countertop oven, this is worth considering. Why is this important? This mini oven offers smart cooking features, including an Element IQ technology that adjusts cooking times and temperatures to ensure even results. It's small but mighty, making it ideal for quick meals or snacks. Plus, its popularity is evident with over 1,000 units sold recently. However, some users find it a bit pricey for its size. I get that, but if you're limited on space and want something that delivers consistent quality, the price reflects that performance. This is perfect for you if you live in a small apartment or are looking for a secondary oven. Skip this if you need something larger for family meals. For its quality, it's a good investment. So to summarize, whether you're tight on space or cooking for a crowd, there's a countertop oven here that fits your needs.
In conclusion, we've covered a range of countertop ovens tailored for different needs and budgets. From the compact Black & Decker Crisp & Bake to the spacious Emerald Lagasse French door model, each has its strengths. Choose the one that matches your cooking style. And happy cooking!